get it first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on your shit. I had to tell her, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another hair video, but today I'm gonna be styling the hair because I feel like I have quite a few hair colors like this on my channel, so I decided to do like a different hairstyle. Even though the back of this wig is not glued down, child, I'm gonna show y'all the back of the wig at the end of the video. You can literally see my nappy ass hair in the back. Anyways, this is just like a hairstyle. I wanted to come and show you guys a hairstyle. This is also gonna be a giveaway, so make sure you leave your comments down below. Like always, you guys could just comment anything, like tell me how much you guys like this video. If you like my makeup, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned so you guys can see my makeup video. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I got this. I actually filmed the whole thing, and I'm probably gonna be doing a little voiceover chat with you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that video. Today's video is a collaboration with KlaiyiHair, so this wig is from KlaiyiHair, so make sure you guys check out the information in the description box if you're interested in buying this wig. But I am gonna be giving away this wig to one lucky winner, so you guys just leave your comments down below. You guys know this month I'm gonna be giving away all the wigs that I do hair videos with, so comment your best comment and you guys will be entered, because I put the video in a random picker and then it's gonna just pick a random comment. So any comment that you leave, you'll be entered. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what comes in the box, because this is gonna also be a part of the giveaway box. In the box, it comes with a bag to put the wig cap, and this bag of stuff comes with a bonnet, a brush to put on your foundation on the lace, lashes, and a band. I know you guys have been well, not everybody, but like I see some people asking me about this band, so I'm just gonna include it with the giveaway, so whoever wins the wig will get all these things in the package. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this video. I'm just gonna I'm gonna start the video actually started last night, because last night I just decided to throw this wig on my head. Actually 2 nights ago I decided to throw this wig on my head after like I was getting ready for bed, and I was like, I should just put on the wig. So you can see me, I have on my retainer, I have on my pajamas, and I'm over here putting on the wig. And then you guys are gonna see today where I'm styling the wig, and I really love how this hairstyle turned out. I just wished it was a 360 so I could have glued down the back, and that would have been perfect. I mean, for the back I could have took out like some little pieces and like curled it and stuff and then pin this down, but I don't feel like doing that, so you're just gonna have to like enjoy the front, how the front is looking. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 8 and then one of them twist different prior. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number 2, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a ride. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the vibes. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beef? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap. I see it back in the church, remember we took it in first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on your shit. I had to tell her, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. Ooh, shorty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep saying. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. No Uber out of my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap, you know, the thing I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, right around talk to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, take that, I got you do know. But I'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you.
This is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. It came out so freaking pretty. I just wish like the back was blended, but this is how the black is looking. It's not blended at all, but that's fine. I feel like I'm just trying to serve you guys a look at the front, so I'm just gonna stay like this so you guys can see the front of my hair. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this wig like I told you guys at the start of the video, and all the other goodies are gonna come with it. So make sure you guys leave a comment below, and make sure you comment down below a white heart so I know that you guys got to the end of the video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to visit KlaiyiHair. I'll have the links in the description box like I always do. Bye.
Get back in church, remember who took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on your shit, I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last, I feel like you take